Full Sail is the perfect place to launch short-form education, in our case DC3, because we've earned a reputation in the industries that we serve as being a university that prepares students for work on day one.
For decades, people have continued to ask us, can we take an individual course out of Full Sail? With over 20 years of experience in doing online education in a hands-on, project-based learning environment, we thought it was just a great platform to be able to bring into short-term education.
DC3 has a wide range of topics that we cover. You may be really interested in podcasting. We've got a class on that. You may be curious about esports. We got a class on that. Interviewing, communications, music, film. We've got it.
To me, the most special thing about Full Sail is that we prepare graduates for industries. In its very essence, DC3 is a focused lightning rod of information about how to master one subject at a time.
The other great advantage of DC3 is for someone who already has a degree that perhaps their degree was taken 10 years ago, or maybe even another subject matter, and they have a job requirement that needs them to skill up.
DC3 students can expect a hands-on, skills-based, hyper-focused approach to learning.
I'm just happy to be in a type of education environment that really embraces change.